In the dynamic world of trading, success isn't just a matter of chance. It's a result of disciplined strategies, continuous learning, and prudent decision-making. Whether you're a novice or experienced trader, adhering to certain rules can significantly improve your trading outcomes. This video presents 7 comprehensive rules that will guide you on your path to becoming a good trader. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. These 7 rules will make you a good trader. Trading involves more than just buying and selling assets. It requires a combination of skills, knowledge, and mindset. By understanding and following these 7 rules, you can elevate your trading game to the next level. Rule 1. Knowledge is power. A critical foundation for achieving success in the realm of trading is knowledge. It's paramount to remain continually updated with the latest market news, significant economic indicators, and emerging trends. To make well-informed decisions, it's essential to draw upon reliable sources such as reputable financial news websites and comprehensive market analysis reports. The significance of this cannot be overstated, as a trader who possesses a deep and current understanding of the market landscape is undeniably better positioned to adeptly navigate the intricate complexities inherent in the world of financial markets. In essence, being armed with the right information empowers traders to make strategic choices that can yield positive outcomes. So, remember, a trader who prioritizes staying informed not only mitigates risks but also harnesses opportunities effectively, leading to a more successful trading journey. Rule 2. Embrace risk management. In the intricate world of trading, risk management stands as an unwavering pillar of success. It is a principle that simply cannot be compromised. To navigate the markets with finesse, it is imperative to define a specific amount that you are willing to put at risk for each trade and, most importantly, adhere to that defined limit. The foundation of this strategy lies in prudence and a clear-headed approach. Additionally, a fundamental rule that should never be overlooked is to never invest more than you can comfortably afford to lose. This principle safeguards you from venturing into precarious financial territories. Furthermore, a strategic tool that prudent traders employ is the utilization of stop-loss orders. These orders serve as your safety net, capping the potential losses on a trade. They are an essential component of risk management, ensuring that no single trade can exert a catastrophic impact on your capital. Successful traders place paramount importance on capital preservation, often favoring it over the allure of swift gains. This long-term perspective is what distinguishes astute traders from impulsive gamblers. In essence, the art of risk management lies in maintaining a delicate equilibrium between calculated risk-taking and the safeguarding of one's capital. By adhering to this golden rule, traders can navigate the unpredictable waves of the market with confidence, setting the stage for enduring success. Rule 3. Develop a trading plan. Engaging in trading devoid of a plan is akin to navigating aimlessly. Forge a comprehensive trading plan, elucidating objectives, tactics, and risk thresholds. Specify entry and exit criteria, trade volume, and potential scenarios. Consistently appraise and adapt your plan in tandem with shifting market dynamics. This structured blueprint provides guidance, enhancing your decision-making and safeguarding against impulsivity. A robust trading plan aligns your actions with strategic goals, cultivates discipline, and reduces emotional biases. Through continuous assessment and refinement, you remain attuned to the evolving market landscape, enabling you to execute trades with precision and confidence. Rule 4. Practice patience. In trading, impulsive actions seldom yield rewards. Patience reigns supreme. Exercise restraint, waiting for opportune setups harmonizing with your trading strategy. Steer clear of pursuing swift gains or succumbing to emotional impulses. Recognize that the market continuously presents opportunities. Your responsibility lies in discerning them methodically. Embrace a measured approach, allowing patterns to materialize and confirming your trade decisions. By resisting the allure of rash choices, you align with strategic objectives and sidestep potential pitfalls. The art of patience in trading cultivates calculated actions and positions you to seize advantageous moments with confidence and prudence. Rule 5. Keep emotions in check. Emotions wield the power to obscure judgment and trigger hasty choices. Fear and greed are recurrent traps in trading. Uphold emotional composure through unwavering adherence to your trading plan and strategy. Detach from momentary victories or losses dictating your overall course. By embracing emotional discipline, you mitigate the influence of sentiment-driven decisions. A resilient mindset shields you from erratic fluctuations, ensuring rationality prevails in your trading endeavors. Grounded in strategic foresight, you transcend emotional turbulence, fostering a consistent approach that aligns with long-term objectives and fortifies your capacity to navigate the complexities of the market. Rule 6. Continuous learning. The trading realm constantly evolves. Propel yourself forward by allocating time to learning. Immerse in trading strategies, technical and fundamental analysis, and market psychology. Participate in webinars, delve into books, and track adept traders to glean fresh perspectives and enhance your expertise. This commitment to continuous education sharpens your acumen, enabling you to adapt to shifting market dynamics and make informed decisions. Embracing a learning-oriented approach empowers you to navigate complexities with finesse, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and cultivate a competitive edge in the ever-changing trading landscape. Rule 7. Adaptability is key. Markets harbor unpredictability, underscoring the necessity of flexibility. Anticipate altering your strategies in response to shifting market dynamics. A skilled trader discerns the opportune moments to trim losses, secure gains, or recalibrate their approach. Adaptability safeguards the potency of your trading strategies across diverse market scenarios. Embrace a dynamic mindset that assimilates new information, swiftly adjusts tactics, and harnesses evolving trends to your advantage. The ability to pivot ensures your trading remains resilient and attuned to the ever-changing currents of the market, ultimately propelling you toward consistent performance and favorable outcomes. Becoming a good trader requires dedication, discipline, and a commitment to continuous improvement. By adhering to the 7 rules outlined in this article, you can enhance your trading skills and increase your chances of achieving consistent success. Remember, the journey to becoming a proficient trader is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, practice patience, and adapt to changing market conditions. Your path to trading excellence begins with these fundamental principles. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.